Hello, and welcome to Three Blind Mice Window Coverings. In this video, I'd like to show you some of the many options that are available for motorized roller shades. So what we've got here is this is some of the hardware components that are available with motorized roller shades. So there's lots of options available. Of course, you could just have a regular roller shade with all the external hardware, but we have some top treatments, or cassettes and fascia that we like to call them, to cover and conceal all of the hardware. So the first thing we've got here is a small cassette. Now, what we consider a cassette is a one-piece unit that houses everything, the roller, the motor, everything inside of it. Now, they come in a couple different colors. As you can see, this is a small tan one. They come in brown, anodized, white, and black. So with this system, it's a little more contemporary, a little softer look. They have different sizes available that allow you to go from small rolls to medium rolls up to larger rolls that will accommodate bigger roll diameter. They also have this in a little more industrial look in a square fascia. So what we've got here is the same size, a little bit more room inside, but it's still a 3-inch fascia, but it's a square look, a little different look to it. So as you can see, again, you got the smaller, the mediums, and then you get into the large systems. So what I'd like to just kind of show you is what the limiting factor is what determines what size fascia you have to do. So as you can see here in this small 3-inch fascia, the roll-up diameter of the fabric itself is what determines the size. So here we've got a small tube and a large roll-up diameter. The wider you go of your shade, the larger the tube, the less room you have for fabric. So you have to go to a larger and larger and larger. So the bigger your shade, or the larger the motor that you need, the larger box and cassette that you need. So now a unique thing we've got here with this is that we've also got a dual shade. Now there's two options available for dual shade systems. You got the first one, which actually projects out. So this one comes out. So you've got a roller shade behind and a roller shade in front. So this gives you a wider projection coming out from the wall, but it keeps your drop very minimal compared to the one down here at the bottom, where we've got a not so much of the projection coming out, but the depth drop. So these are stacked one on top of the other versus one in front of the other. So that just kind of depends on what's necessary for your application. So again, these are just some of the unique hardware options that are available for motorized roller shades. If you'd like more information, please give us a call at 1-800-828-2003, or you can find us online at www.threeblindmiceusa.com.